From installations on the world's largest offshore wind farm to pad testing and commissioning on small offices throughout the UK, CASC Electrical is a fully accredited electrical engineering contractor with a wealth of in-house experience, developed over 30 years. This class-leading division is backed by a fully integrated and internationally recognized management system in quality, environmental, H&S and CE certification. Coupled with our ability to offer design and consultation services, this ensures the best value and end-to-end scope delivery for even the most challenging of projects. We are proud to boast a diverse range of clients, which include world-leading providers in renewable offshore energies with projects across the globe, local construction, fit-out sector contractors, and original equipment manufacturers. These continuing, trusted partnerships demonstrate our ability to deliver projects of all sizes, safely, on time, and within budget, while maintaining the highest possible quality standards. Call us today to find out more about our range of products and services.